Did you know that remote job listings have skyrocketed by over 40% in the past year? Or how will you navigate the future of work as more companies go remote? In 2024, remote work is more than a trend, it's the future. With the increased demand for flexibility, more companies are offering remote job opportunities, but finding the best places to search for these positions can be overwhelming. In today's videos, we are exploring the top 5 websites that will help you land your next remote job in 2024. The biggest challenge for remote job seekers: shifting through countless job boards, ads, and unreliable sources. There is so much information online that it can feel impossible to find a reliable listing without wasting time or falling into scams. Now let's break down the top 5 websites for finding remote jobs in 2024. First, remote.co. Remote.co specializes in curated remote job listing across various industries. It offers an easy to navigate platform is trusted by leading companies while it works. Remote.co focuses exclusively on remote jobs, ensuring you won't waste time shifting through irrelevant positions. Second, we work remotely. As one of the largest remote work communities, we work remotely offers a wide range of job categories and host listings from big names companies like Google and Amazon. Key advantage: it's simple and effective for finding positions in programming, marketing, and beyond. Third, FlexJobs. FlexJobs is a premium site, but it guarantees and scam-free job listings. It covers a wide range of industries, making it ideal for both entry-level and experienced professionals. Why it stand out? Their membership fee ensures quality and provide additional career resources like resume revisions. Fourth, AngelList. Best known for setup jobs, AngelList is perfect for those seeking remote roles at innovative and fast-growing companies. Bonus: you can apply directly for positions with one click, speeding up the application process. Fifth, LinkedIn. LinkedIn is not just for networking, it's also a top place for finding remote jobs. With filters designed for remote work, you can easily find positions tailored to your skills. Unique feature: the ability to network with professional employers right on the platform is a game changer. So what is the number 1 website for finding remote jobs in 2024? FlexJobs takes the crown. Why? The level of creation and the peace of mind you get for knowing every listing is legit sets it apart from the rest. Their membership may come with a cost, but when it's come to landing that perfect remote jobs, it's an investing worth making. To recap, we have covered 5 powerful tools for your remote job search. Remote.co, we work remotely, FlexJobs, AngelList, and LinkedIn. Each offers unique benefits that can help you navigate the competitive world of remote work. Remember, finding a great job is not just about applying everywhere, it's about using the right platforms. Now I want to hear from you. Have you used any of these websites before, or do you have a personal favorite? Share your experience in the comment below.